So that gives me like a mechanical advantage. I don't know if I got that on film or not, but come from up there. There's my cut, center screen, over the house. So there's a piece choked off to my rigging line. Goes up to a cambium saver, or a friction saver. I'm not taking that limb, so we're not trying to just throw a rope over it and use it as a rigging point. So I got the rigging line to the piece to a friction saver over to a friction device. This actually adds friction to it. And this is a pulley that gives me a mechanical advantage that allows me to easily control this piece. Almost, I don't know. It doesn't double the pulling power, but it definitely allows me to hold this piece up. Clearly this piece is pretty heavy. I can't really guess the weight, probably 800 pounds. So I'm gonna hold it up. I'm gonna hold the piece up and get my rope off of it first before I set it down. Rope out from under. Rope under it down here. I don't want to set this on anymore. Just pull the rope out from under it. Spider friction device. Oh, sorry guys, I'm trying to sideways. Quite nice, for sure. Friction saver, like I said, this is it's not exactly the cheapest setup, but look what I just did. One and done. One cut. So pull my stuff out of here. That wasn't supporting the limb, that was just adding pulling power to my after the friction device, so it wasn't holding the weight of the limb. Though it is rated for 30 kilonewton. 30. Anyway, beautiful day. Definitely in our element. Got this other large section coming off on the other side of the property. We have quite a few large leads that have already I've already removed all the brush off of it. So it's from over the house, but we have to finish collar cutting all of our rough cuts. Well, mine from last night, and finish this lead here. Check that. bite is in here. He's still in the hospital. Little Aaron's still in the hospital, but he's supposed to be coming home in a couple days. See if we can zero in on that a little better. Yeah, he's supposed to be coming home in a couple days. I'm super happy about that. Oh. Huh? We already got his chainsaw ready for him. What we got, y'all?